my skin between of it. Ugh! Look at that. Look at that.
They're going to rip it, you have to be careful. What are you doing?
It's my booty. It's all my booty's fault. Actually, it's not their fault. They didn't ask me to have 2 scoops. Too easy. That was 200. One point you guys want to keep in your mind when you're deadlifting, make sure that you really lock your lats in. And I wasn't doing this for a really long time. Pani started pointing it out to me.
Until he met me.
So the first rep and the second rep I might lock it in. By the third rep you get fatigued. Your deadlifts, your squats, your bench presses, they're actually very taxing movements. Bodybuilding,
Remember to hydrate.
powerlifting is a mental game as well. You really need to focus on how the lift is going. So the way I look at it is, when I'm going to deadlift or I'm going to squat, I already have the vision of how the lift is supposed to look. When I'm executing the lift, the only thing I'm thinking is that, okay, the way you imagined it, that's how you want to pull it. Spread the ground apart, you want to keep your glutes tight, you want to brace yourself, you want to lock your lats in, and you want to perfect that movement again and again. Your deadlift at 120 kgs or 100 kgs or 60 kgs and 200 kgs should look identical. So focus on that and focus on getting into that slowly, steadily, and have your pre-workout. Use my code, Brown Boy. And if you want your forearms to actually grow, you actually want it to grow deadlift heavy without straps. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing a sumo deadlift. My flexors are a little sore, so it's not as comfortable as every day. I'm going to place my feet where I normally place them, which is the most comfortable stance for me. And I'm going to talk about how to deadlift and how to do sumo deadlift some other time. Once I get the most comfortable stance, the only thing in my mind is that my feet are firmly placed into the ground. Like I'm trying to spread the ground apart, right, when I do my lift. So I know this is my placement, this is where I feel the most comfortable. I'm going to lock my lats, I'm going to breathe in, I'm going to brace, and then I'm going to spread the world apart. Oh, the talking got me tired. So this is 210 for 1. Smooth and easy. I'm going to go for 220 after this. So the body weight today as of now is around 74 kgs. I'm going for 220 kg deadlift, which I haven't done in a while. One thing I've realized, and I never really realized it the way I have now, when you lose weight and you try to do your powerlifting lifts or the lifts which are more compound and technical, your leverages vary completely. So Jatan is doing this as well recently, so am I. I was used to squatting at 83, 84, 85 kgs, and obviously at 95 as well when I was bodybuilding. At 85, squatting is a joke. It felt really comfortable, really smooth. Right now at 74, it's a 10 kg drop overall over the year, and squatting and deadlifting has become new for me again because I have to re-understand the form. So my strength is not where it was. I'm getting stronger again. Earlier I used to pull a 220 for reps. I've also pulled a 250, I've also pulled a 260, but at a heavier body weight. Right now it's taking time to adjust to the weight. I do want to pull more. At 75 I want to pull at least 3.5 times my body weight. That's what I'm aspiring to do with my squat, my deadlift and bench press. But this is not my primary focus. I'm not only looking at deadlifting, benching and squatting. I'm not a power lifter. I'm looking to get fit overall. I want to run, I want to sprint, I want to be mobile, I want to be flexible, and I want to hit heavy weights. So it's a mix and match, and you guys are going to see my progress right now on this page, and here on you'll see me get stronger, and you'll see what I'm doing to get stronger, so you can do it too.
Why?
It wasn't smooth.
It was pretty good. You have to watch it to see. pain or not more?
It's tough. Hurts. Pull the same amount of weight, like I pulled 210 kgs for 8 reps and 10 reps. This was 200 for 5. It wasn't the strongest set, but it was a good set. Considering this is my current weight at 74 kgs, I'm running on and off. I'm not focusing so much on powerlifting. Overall, it was a good set and it will continue progressing. So let's do some pull-ups. Guys and girls, I'm trying to pull my chest to the bar, okay? I'm trying to get the full range of motion, pull my chest, touch it to the bar. You'll see how. My intent is to work the muscle in the entire range of motion. So, 1, all the way up. Slow down your pull-ups if you need to. Go a little slower. Do those holds, make sure you get the full range of motion, activate your lats and really work the muscle. Don't just pull up the weight, don't just jerk the weight up, because you're not going to build any muscle, you're not going to build any strength, at least not the right way. You'll get it up, but your aim is to build some muscle here. So make sure you get the full range of motion, hold it there, leave it all the way down, all the way back up.